Careful, Bakers.
Don't fall in, Kian.
It's too cold for Kiki?
Is it cold, Kian? Are you all wet? Was it cold, Vinny? It's disgusting down there. Look, Kian.
What is that?
Dandelion.
I'm alive. What is that?
You know, Mommy, can you pick the flowers, Kian? Kiki, did we see a turkey?
A turkey's goat.
The turkey ran right across the road, didn't he?
Oh, there's turkey. Turkey in the mouth.
Yeah, there was a turkey in the road. What does a turkey say?
Teeth.
Turkey says gobble gobble. Where'd the turkey go?
A ladybug. Ladybug right there.
That's an ant.
Ant.
Yeah.
Ladybug. That ladybug. See. Ladybug.
That's a little bug?
No, that's a ladybug.
A little bug?
No, that's a ladybug. Wormy.
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 Yep, there he is on the ground.
Hold it.
On the ground?
Wormy? Wait, put him on my stick. Dada, put him on my stick. Wormy. Bit me.
Did he bite you?
You want to hold Wormy?
No.
Okay. Put him back. Say bye-bye, Wormy. Go back home. Okay, I'm gonna put the stump back.